Yes people, how we doing? Thanks for watching again. So we're just doing another video with the drone today as I'm trying to learn how to use it a bit more, get used to the controls. And this is just an aerial shot here. Gonna come down and yeah, have a few more shots of what we're doing shortly. But yeah, getting used to the controls now. Starting to get a bit better. So we've got this one on the track where it's sort of like it'll just focus on the target. You draw it on the box on the screen and then it'll just follow it, and you can manually make it go up and down like that as such on the screen. We just got Ricky on the turbo here. Had to be a bit careful with the height because obviously we're in a residential premises, so can't go too high on it, and there is some restricted airspace quite close to this because there's a jail and stuff. So they've had a few problems with people taking in like all kinds of contraband and stuff with drones, so they're quite hot on it in this area. So we're out by Evesham. It's a place called North Littleton. It's a beautiful place, and we had to do this patio. We just turboed around the edges and we did it all on the surface cleaner, which you can see there. We didn't actually get any videos of the surface cleaner because that only took us 10-15 minutes, and then we put the chemical down and it was pretty much done. But yeah, I'm getting more used to the controls on it. It is a bit tricky. You can't really use the automated AI controls when you're in kind of like a premises like this with a Neo, because it's not got sensors on the side, so it would crash into things. So I think you're better off just putting the track on and manually controlling it yourself. It seems to work well. So yeah, I'm definitely getting more used to the controls. I like these shots where it comes down from above. And then yeah, if you put the track on when it comes down, it looks really cool. But yeah, what do you think? Anyone got any tips for controlling it? I'm still trying to get to grips with the app and what you can do with it. Battery life seems to be quite good on the drone, probably getting, I reckon, between 12 and 15 minutes per battery. So if you get the Fly More package, you get 3 batteries, and that's going to give you, it's going to give you nearly 40 minutes of film, which is not bad, to be honest. It's quite easy to stop and start. It's just a flick of a switch on the controller. I've not actually used the app to control the drone yet, so I might give that a go. Maybe tomorrow, I don't know. Yeah, but what you're seeing here is the finished job. This is after we put the chemical down and rinsed it off. Whoa, that was a close call. There's the old man. It's actually my dad's place. This was over Evesham way. So yeah, you can see the difference on the patio there. Bit of an aerial shot, bring it round, and you can see all the other areas that we did the pathway down. And this was at the end. This is Rick here. We got the active track on again, and yeah, job done. A great day, great job.